Yes, as you said, the culture is different, but the German digital quality that always for Indians too, it will always attract us, and we ought to do the same thing. So that's where we are meeting the German standards. So that is what Motan stands for. Motan India stands for. Motan. Yes. See here, even it is a German company, all our employees are all local people. And initially, we had training from German people. They came here and they trained us. So that is where we have the production facility here, and we have a production leader who have got the training in Germany, and with that, he had trained people here. So with that people, we have manufacturing the products here. Okay, it has to be engineering or electrical background. That is It has to be an electrical background. That is very important because all our products have the electrical background and also the mechanical background. Because first, when we buy the item or the parts, the quality is very important. So we need both electrical and mechanical background. So this is we also take diploma holders and we also, what we do is we take the freshers in the college, we train them on the products, and then they are with us for a longer time. So that is why if you see that our team is really long. When we started, all the people are with us. Okay, initially we had some ITA people also in our team. Some of them are in ITAs, but now we take only engineering graduates.
I have a question to Mr. Karl.
Yes.
So now that you mentioned in your speech that Indian market is wide open, what are the strategies you want to research? For example, the use of online platform as well as the digital media. And I have a corollary to the question. To what extent do you think AI could be applicable in executing that strategies?
Okay. Well, good question. I mean, digitalization is really important for everybody in everything they do. You know, school children, daily lives. We can see everywhere where digitalization has a part, and AI is the next step, if you like, in the evolution. And everybody in the past was talking about Industry 4.0. You know, this was where machines could talk with each other, and now with artificial intelligence coming into play as well, we've come into, if you like, the 5.0 type of era. What AI does for us is it allows us on our systems where we're often managing lots and lots of different materials, going to lots of different processing machines. And this today up to now has always been a manual job of somebody who knows the system very well, being able to allocate as efficiently as he can. And this is a perfect example where AI in the future is going to play a very big part in the way materials are allocated as efficiently as possible so that we don't have too many pieces of equipment running. And this is where we can then manage that far more efficiently and save energy. Another area where AI can help is also then looking at the demand of the machines that are running, the injection molding machines or the extruders, and we can then prepare material in advance, but not prepare too much and not prepare too little. So it allows then the customer to run a lot more efficiently as well, without mistakes, without the chance of a machine running dry or material not being dried enough and it's being too dried. So all of these are very good examples of where iBrus will play a very large part. And this is something I know very much on Surish's part. He believes in it very, very strongly. And we're bringing products out in the next year where you will see now a lot more AI on the control side. And I think it's the controls which is where obviously you'll be seeing all of that type of application.
Yes. Well, uh, see, in service is one of the very prominent recommend for all the customers. Even we are very premium product manufacturers. And to all our customers, service is very equivalent. A very important factor. After sales service is one of the very important factor for the manufacturing industry. And if you see that currently we have across India, we have a good network of service team. If you take from the north, west, and south, all regions, if you see, we have 2 to 3 service engineers covered in each region, and in future also. Now we are in the presentation, you would have seen that we are doing 4 million, close to 4 million euros currently. In the future, again, we are expecting another, in the next 5 years, looking for another 4 million, close to 10 million. We are looking for the business in the next 5 years plan. So definitely, we also have to expand our network both in sales as well as service across India in the future. So we are looking for maybe another 10 to 15 people in the future. Definitely, we will add more into the service and sales. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a question for you. Now that it's been launched and in a very quick way, and exactly you position the new facility in the next decade, maybe by 2030 or 2030. Can you figure it out? What is the visual expectation?
Okay. See, when we started Motan, our CEO, Mrs. Prasad, always tells we are a baby. And now they themselves say we are grown up child. So our mission is to go. That is the reason we are here, and we have brought the Lord here. And our mission to grow high really in the market. So that is really our mission. And our CEO will say that we are grown up child.
Sir, one question to you. Now, yeah, now that the infrastructure is totally built, what about the development of skills here? I mean, to inculcate expertise in the staff themselves.
You know, we are mainly would like to focus on the Swift Drive Motan brand here. So for that, actually, if you can see a while ago the presentation, we are focusing more on the industry 4.0 and the digitalization of the thing. So we are looking forward the employees what we are looking for in the future could have a good knowledge in controls because this could be our investment that we would like to do it together with our employees, not just finding somebody outside. We also have a very good employees, but we would like to invest with them to make them learn about all these things. With that, they already have a good background of mechanical things. On top of it, these controls, we really can able to produce a good image. I would say that the product of future. We
So
put it
it's
that way.
all it's moving on to the next level.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah. And you were asking about the next decade of these things. It's very clear that we have a clear direction and path has been paved, and we are moving in the right direction. Training events, of course. I think Anand can give us a better idea about this. Actually, every year we are doing that. Actually, trade events,
Yeah,
exhibitions.
yeah, okay, fine. I got it. Seeing there are many trade events happening in India. The major is the Plast India is one of the biggest exhibitions for the plastic, and next is the Plastivision. So every year we used to participate either 2 or 3 exhibitions across India. It happens sometimes it could be regional exhibitions, sometimes it may be a national exhibitions. It depends, but average we used to participate 2 or 3 exhibitions in a year.
Once that events, the initiative will be from our side, or it's a question of participation in other events which are organized by someone.
No, it's not from our side. Actually, there are already organizers are available, so they will be doing this organizing everything. So they will invite us to participate in that events, and we will participate in it. Yes, of course. See, it's very important because marketing is one of the very important role plays for any organization. So always whenever the exhibition happens, we used to participate. As I said, 2 or 3 exhibitions across India. It depends on the thing. There are exhibitions also different kind of exhibitions happen, like segments wise, branches wise it happens. So sometimes regional exhibitions also we participate. Depends on the market where we are looking for, where we would like to expand the the reachability is required. Certainly we will do over those places. you see many of our employees, they work with us for a very long years. That is how the history is. You see with the culture, people don't quickly move the job. Yes, the new recruits we always have some consultation, and also we recruit through the references. It's very important that we require a good, highly talented people with good attitude to work in a multinational company. So the reference also, of course, we prefer, but mostly through the good consultations, we try to recruit the employees. Later, campus interviews. Yes, see, in the past we also tried with IGCC. Again, we recruited some of the campus interview, some employees, that means some candidates to the campus interview. Uh, Somewhere it worked, somewhere it didn't work. See, it's all CPET is one of the biggest industry, in the plastic industry. So we also used to recruit some of the candidates through CPET. It also happens. If you are looking for BTech, plastic from the classic knowledge, BTech plastics, or maybe uh, from electrical side also we
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.